The iPhone 16 Pro has several significant advantages over the iPhone 16 Plus that may influence your choice depending on your needs. Here are the main differences. Design and materials. The titanium case of the iPhone 16 Pro, compared to the aluminum case on the iPhone 16 Plus, has the following advantages. 1. Strength and lightness. Titanium has one of the highest strength-to-weight ratios of any metal, making the iPhone 16 Pro stronger and lighter at the same time. This provides better protection for the device from damage during drops and bumps. 2. Premium appearance. The titanium case gives the iPhone 16 Pro a more elegant and premium look, which may be important to users who value the aesthetic aspect of the device. 3. Improved heat dissipation. The internal design of the iPhone 16 Pro is optimized for better heat dissipation, which contributes to more stable performance, especially when performing resource-intensive tasks such as gaming or video recording. 4. Durability. Titanium is less susceptible to scratches and corrosion than aluminum, making the iPhone 16 Pro more durable in everyday use. Conclusion: the choice between a titanium or aluminum case depends on your preferences for strength, appearance, and durability of the device. The titanium case of the iPhone 16 Pro offers significant advantages in these areas. Display. The iPhone 16 Pro features a 6.3-inch OLED display with ProMotion and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, providing a smoother experience. In contrast, the iPhone 16 Plus has a display with a fixed refresh rate of 60 Hz. Performance. CPU. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the A18 Pro chip, which offers improved graphics and performance compared to the standard A18 and the iPhone 16 Plus. iPhone 16 Pro offers several unique camera features that are not available on the iPhone 16 Plus. 1. Triple camera. iPhone 16 Pro features a triple camera setup, including a 48MP main camera, 48MP ultra-wide camera, and 12MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. In contrast, iPhone 16 Plus only has a dual camera setup, 48MP main camera and 12MP ultra-wide camera, without a telephoto lens. 2. ProRAW shooting. iPhone 16 Pro supports ProRAW format, which gives users more flexibility in editing images. 3. 4K/120fps video recording. The Pro version can record 4K video at 120 frames per second, allowing you to create high-quality slow-motion videos without losing quality. 4. Log video support. iPhone 16 Pro offers the ability to record video in log format, which is convenient for professional color grading. 5. New camera control button. The physical camera control button on iPhone 16 Pro lets you quickly take photos and change shooting settings using gestures and taps. These features make iPhone 16 Pro a better choice for photographers and videographers who strive for high-quality images. The choice between the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Plus depends on your needs. If you value high performance, advanced camera features, and the best materials, then you should consider the iPhone 16 Pro. If you want a large screen and good performance for a lower price, then the iPhone 16 Plus is a great choice. In the next video, we will look at other equally important characteristics and differences between these models.